Your washing machine won't drain, the water's stuck, and the cycle won't finish? Don't panic, this is one of the easiest fixes you can do at home. I'll show you the exact steps to get it draining again in just a few minutes. Step 1, turn the machine off. Step 2, check the drain filter. Most of the time the problem is right here, the drain filter. Open the flap at the bottom. Place a tray or towel underneath, this will leak. Unscrew the white cap, squeeze the pump into the tray. The water should start to drain out. Keep doing this until the water stops. Step 3, it is now safe to open the filter, so twist the filter anti-clockwise and pull it out. Give it a rinse, remove everything and make sure the impeller behind it spins freely. Before putting the filter back in, reach inside and feel for anything stuck deeper in the housing, because there could be socks, hair ties, even small toys can get in here. Step 4, inspect the drain hose. If the filter was clear, the next suspect is the drain hose, so make sure it's not kinked or crushed. Remove it from the stand pipe or sink connection. Blow through it or run water through it to check for blockages. Step 5, test the drain pump. With the filter out, turn the machine on for a second and listen. If you hear a humming noise, the pump is trying to work, which is a good sign. If it's silent, the pump may be jammed or faulty, so make sure the impeller spins freely. If it's stuck, remove the obstruction. Step 6, reassemble and test. Put the filter back in, tighten it, reconnect the hose and plug the machine back in. So now I'm going to run a quick drain or spin cycle. So if everything's clear, you should see the water start to disappear straight away. If this fixed your machine, then click the like button so more people can find it and help them as well if they've got the same issue here. And tell me in the comments what appliances you want me to fix next. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye for now.